Hey y'all, so we are back and we are doing a revamp on this old ass wig I bought from Maxine hair, and it is the Waterwave hair. So I am going to bleach this hair to the gods. Alright, so I am going to use some scoops of the L'Oreal Quick Blue powder with 40 volume developer. So a lot of you might remember this wig. This was one of my favorite wigs, but I kind of got a little tired of it. So I like to revamp old wigs and kind of make it look new again. So this is one of the ways that I do it. I color it. So I like to work in sections because I like to get the hair fully saturated. So I just start from the bottom and work my way up. So I just let the wig sit. I actually don't time how long I leave it on. I check periodically to see if it has reached the levels that I want, but I just continue watching it, and then when it gets to a level that I'm okay with, then I go ahead and shampoo it out. And the shampoo that I use the Shimmering Light shampoo to remove the brassiness. So I'm going to go ahead and tone the hair, and I am toning the hair with the Wella Charm T18. I think that's light ash, I can't remember, and T35. So I'm going to use those 2 boxes of the T18, 1 of the T35 with 20 volume developer. You can see my little baby dog over there, my little Cotty Poo. For every 1 toner, you need 2 bottles of developer, if I'm saying that right. So I just use the toner bottle and put my developer in there so I can get the correct amount of mixture. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the T18 on the bottom of the hair, and closer to the root I'm gonna put the T35. That's why I only got 1 bottle of the T35. And this is how the hair came out. It's really red. I wanted it to be a little more brown, so this is why I am toning it down. So I'm just gonna let this sit. As you can see, it has it's just a light purple. You want to make sure that it turns to a dark purple. That way you know that the toner is working. So I let this sit for about an hour, probably 45 minutes. Alright y'all, so this is how the color came out. I think that it looks absolutely beautiful. This is a color I really wanted. I wanted something brown, but a little hint of blondie gold. I colored it black when I first got the wig, and it looks really nice. I like it a lot. The only thing I'm kind of debating about, and maybe you guys can help me, I'm thinking about making it a short, like messy bob, probably shoulder length lob, probably right about here. I think that would look so cute. Because it's the summer, I really don't like to wear a lot of long hair during the summer. I like to stick to my bobs, so I kind of want to chop this off, and I really kind of want to just remove all this weight, because you see how long it is. I want to remove all this weight and kind of just make it something a little more beachy, a little more, you know, summer, something like that. I don't know if I want to. I can rebuy the hair. I bought this hair from Maxine hair. This is the Waterwave, if I didn't tell you. But I don't know, should I do it? See, like, okay, I like to do this a lot if I'm trying to envision something. If I'm trying to envision something, I do this a lot. Alright, so pretend like all of this is in here. If I cut it, I think it will look so cute. I'm looking in my viewfinder. Should we do it, y'all? I might do it. I might do it. Should we do it? Alright, y'all, so I cut the hair down and I actually prefer it this short. I do not like it. I didn't really care for it. It was cute, but I didn't really care for it long. And because it's summertime and I want something a little more manageable, something that less intense, that holds intense heat. Yeah, the color came out nice. The cut, might have to work on it a little bit. But other than that, I really like it. I think the color complements my skin. It really hugs a chocolate girl. So I really like it a lot. And I really like changing up my wigs. I like putting a different spin on it. I've had that long Maxine hair for a while. Alright, so let me know, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer long or short? Let me know down below. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to thumbs up this video, share it with your friends. If you want to try this color, this whole process, you can try it. I think I've left step-by-step instructions enough for you to follow. And do not forget to check out my website, justbeher.com. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.